So the main factor that Cinesite had been using ftrack for many years in the visual effects work. I think we actually started using it before it was commercially available. So it's been long tied to Cinesite's history. And ftrack just seemed like the right fit. And I think that we had great support in using the software. And so it was efficient to roll it out to the feature animation division. I think there's a out of the box user friendliness to it. There's also advantages within the software to other products that are available on a daily basis. All production people are using it, and you know the versioning is something that we look at a lot. It's nice to be able to just pull that up quickly and see past versions and sort of trace back any issues. All the customizability of the dashboards and sort of seeing the departments as an overview is very key to my role. Be able to see if things are moving within the pipeline, and the recording of the data, just the historical, how much time have we actually spent on these tasks, and have we gotten stuck, and why have we gotten stuck? And there's just so much data there that can be harnessed and presented in different ways. So, you know, communication is so important, and we use the tracker as one of our key tools in doing that, so that we can look ahead. You know, we have lots of projects underway. Mila, which is a short we worked with one of the directors from Hit Pig, is on the festival circuit. It's a great short that we were able to jump on, and it's something a little bit different than we usually do, but ftrack, you know, and the usability of it and the way we've integrated it into our workflow helps us greatly with that. And like you had mentioned before, all that historical data for planning in the future. You know, we have lots of projects on the horizon, some that we can't even talk about yet, but that we're, you know, are already setting up and getting ready and know the changes that we want. And there's even refinements within A-Track that we do to customize it more for ourselves, changing department names around, or some of the order, some of the views, that sort of thing. There's always tweaking, because you know there's a lot on the horizon, and we want to make sure that we're ready for it.